So welcome one and all to a picturesque evening here, a clear night, all the ingredients for a showcase game that the passionate crowd demands. This is Peter Drury, and I'm happy to inform you that Jim Beglin has joined me to offer his expertise.
Thanks, Peter. Hello, everybody. Ready to see what unfolds in this one now.
Well, it looks like a big game, sounds like a big game. Everyone involved is absolutely up for it. So straight into the action. Well, here's your hero, goal scorer, match winner, saviour, all in one. Lionel Messi is indeed one of a kind, and history shows that he is all of those things and so much more.
Yeah, and we can testify to that, having covered quite a few of those games where he showed the very best qualities.
Time after time, it is a tale of the extraordinary, and we've come to expect the extraordinary from him.
We have.
Thuram did just about enough to come out on top there. Neither party overly willing to compromise. He's having a shot! And he looked every bit the assured keeper there.
Mbappe actually didn't do an awful lot wrong, to be honest.
SIAPA with their first corner, the first in the game for either side, actually. Bullish header!
Well, he got rid because he was under pressure.
That's really nicely played. Best's cross. Zakaria, looking tidy in possession here. Good defending, albeit from an unexpected source.
He's dealt with that very well, Peter. It's a real show of discipline.
Nice interception. His positioning was spot on. Messi is flagged offside. SIAPA are applying all the early pressure.
Yeah, they've been livelier and
the shot! Goal! Oh, beautifully dispatched. There was no reaching that.
Well, Peter, I think the keeper knew straight away he was never going to get to it.
SIAPA are in front now, the game's only goal.
Well, I think the next 5 to 10 minutes will call for real focus, as the opposition will inevitably react.
Zakaria with the clearance, nicked it back promptly. That's where it came from. Aimed beyond the defence.
That's just playing it safe and simple.
And it's Hullet. Pedri. Mbappe. Knocks it into space. Well, he was clearly disappointed with that pass.
They should have done a lot better there. The final ball was very poor.
And he's picked it up out wide. And the two sides separated by the game's only breakthrough moment to this point. And the score is 1-0. Maldini clears. And they're quick to get it back. Thuram is someone so often referred to as the defender's defender. Plays a sharp little ball here. Thuram. Pirlo. Forced to go back. He's going for goal! Pirlo, the regular corner taker. There's the hit! It's a goal! They have come roaring back!
Well, you have to credit the desire there. These boys knew they were in a battle, and they did exactly what was needed to get back into it. That's going to make the boss just a little happy now.
What a header! Flashed in with the crispest of contacts.
So well played, Peter. Did a great job keeping sight of the ball. Made a classic move and met it perfectly.
We're looking at a different game now.
Well, I'd happily watch this every week, Peter. This is exactly what you want from a big game.
And here's Mbappe. Oh, he's managed to get himself offside. Zakaria tries to play it through. It's played through for him. And Messi! Oh, fine stop from the keeper.
Really looked sharp there, didn't he? That's very well played.
Corner number 2 then. And he's taking no chances there. And now a sudden chance to counter. Nicely worked. And he's there to retrieve it. Pedri. Pirlo producing a good steal there, showing a good level of alertness. Beckenbauer conjures time and space where few can. Thuram ventures forward. That's the keeper's ball.
2 added minutes has been indicated.
Pedri. Mbappe does have his name on the score sheet, of course. This is a promising build-up. That's a decent clearance. That's the end of the first 45. So it's all squared. Neither side has been able to make a telling difference, but it hasn't been for the lack of trying. So, nothing in it,
Just
Jim.
a quick
What do you think?
today,
Well,
please refrain
it's been an
from
intriguing
talking
watch.
outside this
A really
stadium.
nice contrast
Thank
of
you very much
styles
for your
that seem to
cooperation.
suit both teams pretty well. Who's ultimately going to win it? It's anyone's guess still.
So, all square at half-time, each side matching the other blow for blow at the break. Second period then underway. And it's Messi. And that interception was most necessary.
That's great positioning, so good from him.
Maldini. Zakaria. No, not quite on the same wavelength. Roberto Carlos. Nicely weighted ball. Now it's Hazard. And he can thump it away. Oh, good read.
He read that really well and stopped it.
Zakaria. Rummenigge is the guilty party there. Thuram. And here's Dembele! That's unlucky, just wouldn't come down.
Oh, he just got it ever so slightly wrong, Peter. There wasn't much in that at all.
Tries to pass it through. Robson. So, Jim, is that the manager telling the forwards that they must stay forward for now?
Well, I think he just is concentrating on the shape here, and he wants them to press as high as they can and get in the right position to do that collectively.
Messi. Oh, that's fabulous. Real chance! Oh, that was a brilliant save.
That's very, very good. You can't ask for much more than that.
Quarter of an hour into the second half. Can he get it through? Cross is blocked, and that's a corner. It's their second corner of the game. And it's hoisted clear. He's going to be disappointed with that. That's really well manoeuvred. Turan. Pedri, a player who needs no introduction. Bullet. Rummenigge. And that's been intercepted.
That was well played, well stopped.
Some intricate passing, looking to progress the ball. He won't be happy with that one. Looking for options for movement. Turan. Pirlo, who's set up one goal so far. And here's Messi. Messi showed plenty of zest in getting to the ball, but couldn't quite sort it out. Well seen, saw that coming.
He read that really well and stopped it.
Rummenigge. Pedri. Robson. Just about up to 75 minutes. Mbappe. Bullet.
Yeah, they were looking for a counter-attack.
He's shifting through the gears here. Takes a shot! And that's a real chance missed.
Oh, looky, there's the urgency they need, and it nearly brought them a goal.
Substitution.
So, third corner of the game. Oh, looks like he's been taken out there. He's having a hit! And no, he couldn't find the finish. Sporting Braga get their fourth corner. Robson clears it away. Pirlo's cross. Defending of the desperate variety. And it's Roberto Carlos. And here's Azar. Oh, good ball. It's Schneider! Goal! Braga! And the game is well and truly turned on its head. It was a great finish. He put it away with great poise, dead-eye accuracy.
Just way too good, Peter. The keeper was never going to stop it.
And it didn't take him long. Just sitting on the bench and waiting moments ago, already he has scored. Can he finish? It's in! And surely now, the result's beyond doubt. One sweeping move, executed with deadly efficiency.
Look, if you want to be effective on the break, then the key element is always pace. That's what really rips defences apart, and it's difficult to find an answer to it when it's applied like that.
Sporting Braga go up by 2 and are looking good.
To be expected, Peter. They've gone and stepped it up, something they've been threatening to do and will continue to do by the looks of it.
Robson. Passes coming off in quick succession here. Here's a man who his
4
teammates
added
can look
minutes
to
has been
in
indicated.
all times. Hazard. Now it's Schneider. 4 added minutes on the board. Zakaria. Pedri. Great vision. Can he finish? Superb from Dembele! A finish of true class! Deep into injury time! Perfect placement, the one place the keeper... And we're done. Well, what a game. Unpredictable to the very end, momentum...